Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Okay, today we are going to show you two meters we have here. Both are static charge meter and both are digital. Also both are made in India. First I am going to show you this meter. The model number is Z205, available to us all the time in stock. This is a basic meter. The capacity of this meter is 0 to 10 kV. There is one sensor here and two buttons here. One is on off button and one is just to press make the zero reading, and then it will start counting the reading properly. There is a 9-volt battery operated, so it's easy to carry anywhere and very small for hand size, so you can carry on easily anywhere. It comes with a leather case like this. Alright, now I'm going to show you how this works. First, because there is no something like which have contained so much static, I'm going to show you a trial. I'm taking this pen and rubbing on my hair to create some static charge. Okay, by rubbing this, we all know it creates some static. So now this pen has some static. We can press the on button, this one here. So when pressing the on button and taking the pen to the nearby this meter, keep mention that the distance between the static object and the meter should be 5 cm minimum. You do not have to touch the static object and the meter, because if you touch the sensor, this one sensor with any object having static charge, the meter will get damaged, the sensor will not work. So be aware, always keep maintain the distance of 5 cm. You always have to make the distance this one. Always check like that. Never touch. So you can check like this. Alright. And if you have to, there is a reading 1, 2, 3, 4, anything, you can press the 0 button. Okay, and then again check from a distance. Alright. This is how it works. And we have another meter same like this. This is also made in India. Both are made in India. It also work on 9-volt battery, just like previous one. It also have a sensor right here, same like screen here. One is on off button and one is press to read button. You can on it from here, right? After on, same trick, rubbing the pen on here and taking it like this, press to read. You have to press the button to get the reading. Alright, now what happen is, sometimes there is a humidity and moisture in the air. In that case, sometime when you on the any meter, this one or this, the reading always get 1, 2, 3, 4 automatically getting up and up. It can happen in any meter, not just these two but any meter. When you press the button on and the reading will go like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. The reading will always get on more and more. So in that case, what you have to do is, first you can clean the sensor with the wipes properly, because the humidity and the moisture in the area in the room, it always affect the sensor. Okay, mostly happen when there is a AC working on, so there is so much humidity and it work effect on the sensor. To create the balance, ionogic balance, you can use the solution, like if you have any type of benchtop ionizer like this one we have here, just plug it on, right, and leave it in the room for 10 minutes. You can hear the voice. Alright. Use the fan, tabletop ionizer, any model you have in the room, so that the room which have the moisture and there is a negative positive mixed type of environment. To create the balanced environment, you have to use the any benchtop ionizer. Benchtop ionizer will help to create a equal atmosphere. After that, this meter will work properly. What happen is, I have seen many times that some of our customer buy the meter and they use and they send us video that sir the meter is not working and their reading is going up and up automatically. So we always tell them to, if there is a AC or there is too much moisture in the area, first you have to use any type of benchtop ionizer to create a equal environment. After that only the meter will work properly. Okay, so if you have any question, any ask in the comment section like always. I made this video in English because many of our customers are from other areas which do not know Hindi, and I have seen in our previous videos that some customer from foreign also. So to prefer for them also, I have made this video in English. For anyone who did not understand anything or any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Or if you want to buy the meter or a benchtop ionizer, you can also ask in comment section. I will share the email and ID. Thank you.